Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video we are going to apply what you've learned about tener expressions in Spanish. So be sure you've studied the explanation in your textbook, and you can also Google the topic and you'll find some YouTube videos that talk about tener expressions and how they work. When you're ready to practice, then come here. So let's go ahead and get started. Just a quick reminder, you absolutely have to know how to conjugate the verb tener in the present tense. It's an irregular verb. You just basically have to memorize it. There's no way around it. Okay, and then tener expressions, the other thing that I'm going to remind you of is that there are some expressions in English that we commonly use the verb to be with, like to be hungry, to be thirsty, to be hot, to be cold. These expressions in Spanish, instead of using the verb to be, they use the verb tener. So think of it this way: in English, we are hungry, but in Spanish we don't say we are hungry, we say that we have hunger. But the idea that you get is, when you translate it or interpret it to English, is to be hungry. So tener hambre, instead of saying literally to be thirsty, we say we have thirst. And so it's that type of idea. Once you accept that it's a different language and the idea is expressed a little differently than we express it in English, then there's no problem. Okay, so let's go ahead and start the practice part. So how would you say in Spanish, I am hungry? And again, we don't use the verb to be in Spanish. You have to say, I have hunger. So I am hungry, como se dice? Tengo hambre. Tengo hambre. Literally, I have hunger, but it means I am hungry. Tengo hambre. She is thirsty. Ella tiene sed. Ella tiene sed. Literally, she has thirst, but it just means she is thirsty. Ella tiene sed. We are hot in the sense of we feel hot, not the other one. Okay, we feel hot. We are hot. Tenemos calor. Tenemos calor. He is hungry. Él tiene hambre. Él tiene hambre. Él tiene hambre. Remember, the H is silent. She is right. For this one, we literally say she has reason, but it means she is right. Como se dice? She is right. Ella tiene razón. Ella tiene razón. She is right. Ella tiene razón. How would you ask someone, are you thirsty? Remember, literally, you have to ask the question, do you have thirst? ¿Tienes sed? ¿Tienes sed? Are you thirsty? ¿Tienes sed? And for this last one here, they are scared. How would you say they are scared? ¿Cómo se dice they are scared with ellos? Ellos tienen miedo. Ellos tienen miedo. They are scared. Ellos tienen miedo. So remember to memorize the conjugation of tener in the present tense, and then remember to memorize these common tener expressions. And now you're a much better speaker of the language. That's it for this video.